Joining us now is Novartis CEO Vas Narasimhan. Vas, it's good to have you back on the show. Welcome.
Great to see you, Sarah.
So what is fueling the better quarter, the better sales? We're now a few years out of COVID. Does this mean we're back to normal or on a new growth trajectory?
Yeah, I think there's a couple of things happening. One, we're seeing really strong performance across the portfolio. Our key growth drivers in cardiovascular drugs, cancer, multiple sclerosis are all coming back really with strong double-digit performances. That's benefiting from the normalization of healthcare systems, but also that these medicines are really starting to take share and really, I think, deliver on their clinical promise. So I think that's one big part of the story. The other is we announced a pretty large transformation program last year to become a pure-play innovative medicines company. We announced the intended spinoff of Sandoz. We restructured, got a lot more focused and lean, and I think that's also now starting to come through on the bottom line, and that allows us to raise both top and bottom line guidance for the full year.
Yeah, investors are looking for an update on the Sandoz spinoff, if that's on track by the end of the year, and what else might be on the chopping block. Reports of the ophthalmology unit.
Yeah, when you look at Sandoz, we're on track for a decision with our board and our investors, we hope, a little bit later this summer, and on track for spinoff for the second half of the year. So that's all on track. We're working hard to set the business up to be successful as a standalone company so that we exit that spinoff with the largest generics company in the world and the largest pure-play innovative medicines company in the world by revenue. So two leading businesses post the spinoff. Now, as for the rest of the Novartis Innovative Medicines portfolio, we're continuing to look at where we can optimize. Right now, we're committed to our inline ophthalmology and respiratory business. Of course, if we see opportunities to optimize our mature brands, we'll of course take action, but nothing imminent at the moment.
The stock's at an all-time high, and I'm told part of the reason is also there's some excitement over the breast cancer treatment, which I guess was meant more for late stage and now is being looked at with some good results for early stage. Can you talk about the potential there and what you're seeing?
Yeah, absolutely. Our medicine Kisqali, we launched it a couple of years ago, and it was in metastatic breast cancer. So these are patients that have the tumor spread around their bodies, women who've had their tumor spread around their bodies, and the medicine works extremely well. We had a lot of good positive data. In that setting alone, we expect the medicine to be a multi-billion-dollar drug. It's got the strong support of guidelines. Now, what we announced earlier this month was the initial top-line readout of our Kisqali data in what's called the adjuvant setting or the early breast cancer setting. These are patients where we're trying to prevent the recurrence of the breast cancer. This was the broadest study done to date in both stage 2 and stage 3 patients. And that allows us, we hope, with the ultimate presentation of the data and regulatory filings, to have the broadest indication in our label and allow us to impact these patients all around the world to prevent the breast cancer recurrence. That would add another multi-billion-dollar indication to Kisqali, and I think that's got certainly the attention of investors as we continue to expand that position in cancer care.
This isn't specific to Novartis, but there's been a lot of discussion last couple of weeks about the judiciary's role in either changing availability or the approval process for big pharma. How's that being talked about right now among within Novartis and among your peers?
I can say that both on behalf of Novartis, I'm also the chair of PhRMA, the industry body in the U.S. For this year. It's very concerning. I mean, the FDA is arguably the best scientifically driven regulator in the world. And they make their decisions based on science and those safety and efficacy decisions based on the best possible data. We can't have courts overruling the scientists and outstanding people at the FDA. And so it's very, very concerning. I'm hopeful that better minds prevail here and that we really ensure that we support the FDA's primacy in regulating medicines in the United States. It's critical for our industry, but more importantly, critical for public health in the country.